What if you could build muscle, shed fat, and boost your testosterone, all while eating delicious, satisfying meals? The ketogenic diet is often seen as a weight loss plan, but for men looking to increase strength and energy, it can be a game changer. Let's explore how keto can fuel muscle growth, optimize hormones, and take your performance to the next level. Understanding keto for muscle growth. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat, moderate-protein eating plan that shifts your body from using glucose for energy to burning fat instead. This metabolic state, called ketosis, leads to consistent energy levels, improved fat loss, and even enhanced muscle recovery. Most men associate muscle building with carb-heavy diets, but keto challenges that notion. When done correctly, a ketogenic diet provides your body with the necessary fuel to sustain intense workouts while naturally elevating testosterone levels, an essential hormone for strength, endurance, and overall vitality. How keto supports testosterone production. Testosterone is the ultimate male hormone. It's responsible for muscle growth, fat distribution, and even mood regulation. Here's how keto can give it a powerful boost. Healthy fats fuel hormone production. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, which means dietary fat plays a direct role in hormone levels. The keto diet emphasizes healthy fats from sources like eggs, red meat, avocados, and olive oil, providing the building blocks for optimal testosterone production. Reduced insulin spikes and estrogen levels. High-carb diets lead to frequent insulin spikes, which can increase fat storage and reduce testosterone. Keto stabilizes insulin levels, preventing unnecessary fat gain and lowering estrogen, which can interfere with testosterone function. Lower cortisol for better gains. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that directly lowers testosterone. Keto's steady energy supply helps regulate cortisol, keeping stress and inflammation in check, so you can focus on building muscle. Building muscle on keto. One of the biggest myths about keto is that it's not suitable for muscle gain. In reality, you can absolutely build size and strength with the right strategy. Prioritize protein. While keto is high in fat, getting enough protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Opt for high-quality sources like grass-fed beef, chicken, eggs, and fish. Fuel up with fats. Healthy fats provide long-lasting energy for intense workouts. Add sources like nuts, seeds, coconut oil, and fatty cuts of meat to your meals. Strategic carb intake. While strict keto limits carbs to about 5 to 10% of daily intake, targeted keto allows for small amounts of carbs before or after workouts to maximize muscle recovery. Stay hydrated and get electrolytes. Cutting carbs reduces water retention, which can lead to dehydration and fatigue. Drink plenty of water and include sodium, potassium, and magnesium to maintain energy and prevent cramps. Train hard, recover smart. Resistance training, compound movements, and progressive overload will maximize muscle growth. Prioritize sleep and recovery to optimize results. Can keto help you lose fat while gaining muscle? Absolutely. One of keto's biggest advantages is its ability to help you burn fat while maintaining lean muscle mass. Unlike traditional diets that can lead to muscle loss along with fat loss, keto spares muscle tissue by keeping insulin levels low and increasing fat oxidation. This means you'll see better muscle definition without sacrificing size. Have you tried the keto diet for muscle growth? Share your experience in the comments below.